Welcome everybody to Blue Bike Nor's channel for roadside attractions. And this is a school, but it's not on attractions. Run that intro or we stop at a sign. In the railroad park. Oh yeah, run that intro. I'm babbling. So, am I recording? I think, yep, the lights, but this is a nice little road, nice shady road. And it's a four, it's odd you find a county road with 4 digits in it. 1354, 1354. So we're going to look at a roadside attraction where an airplane landed on a pole right over a gas station. So they just left it. Yeah, that's where we're going. Man, oh man, this thing's taking us down through the holler. Oh, look at here, we got a redneck swimming hole. Woohoo! We'll go swimming, go skinny dipping with the redneckies. Woohoo! Mount. And looking for a gas station with an aeroplane. It's an abandoned gas station. And I believe I see it. Yep, there she is. 19-something Beechcraft is what it's called. And the propeller is trying to take off. It's spinning up, people. Houston, we got a problem. I can't believe that one propeller is still spinning after all these years. Bird poop living in it. Everyone gas was $1.05. Whew. That's how long goes, boy. There's some pigeons pooping everywhere, ain't they? Just pull around. Anyway, let me tell you what it is. It's a it's a 1939 Beechcraft 18. It's what it is. Yep, I believe he's got a flat. Need somebody come in a little hot with an over hot string. 1939 Beechcraft. The air conditioned hole and the nose cone's optional. It's spinning, just not blowing enough. That's a John Deere. It's not abandoned. USA. Alright, I hope you can see all of it. Let's go on to our next roadside attraction. I'm gonna get a picture and she wants a picture. It's a different angle of it. Alright, so let's go on to our next headed home roadside attraction. Welcome everybody back to Blue Bike Nor's channel with the roadside attractions. This is Albertville International Airport. Anything they fly out of state's international for Alabama. I'm making Alabama jokes because I can, because I'm from Alabama. Freaking-bama. Yeah, buddy, it's a nice day. It's a nice day in the neighborhood. Yeah, buddy. And here we are in downtown Alabama. I keep wanting to say downtown Albertville, Alabama. The fire hydrant capital of the world. You know, Alabama. Here's a fun fact: Alabama has 2 capitals. Yeah, it's actually got 3. The state capital, I'm concentrating on where I gotta go here. And it's the world fire hydrant capital, and it's Used to be the world's sock capital. Yep. So that's 3 capitals. There might be more. So I'm looking for a fire hydrant. That's supposed to be up here. Okay. I don't think I'm lost. I think I'm lost. Alright. One of them's telling me on this side, another one's telling me on that side. It's in front of the Chamber of Commerce building. So we'll find it in a minute. Even if it's wrong, hell, I don't know. Riding around in circles looking for a dang fire hydrant. I see it. About time. There it is. Albertville Chamber of Commerce, right next to the train station. The wooden millionth fire hydrant. But anyway, so here it is, the chrome fire hydrant. One thing wasn't even close to where it said it was at. She'd pull up, back up, pull up, pull up. All she had to do was turn in there. Sunday, nobody gonna come up here. But this is it. Albertville, fire hydrant capital of the world. The 4 millionth hydrant produced by Mueller Company, Albertville plant, July 21st, 2016. Yep, the 4 millionth. I thought it was a 1 million. Anyway, it was the 4 millionth chrome fire hydrant. Yep. We on the subject of fire hydrant. Gliding on 2, went to a fire hydrant on Roadside attraction down in South Carolina, big tall one. Yep, go check it out. Alright folks, well, that's all the roadside attractions today we got. The 4th million fire hydrant. Which way you going, buddy? Somebody drove through the Dollar General store. Alright, yep, okay, turn my head. It's the 4 million fire hydrant here in Albertville, Alabama, the fire hydrant capital of the world. So we headed to the house. We might stop and eat somewhere. Probably will. You know we will. So, yeah, I'll shoot too far. Not too far, but I was gonna look at some Sunday Fun Day. Check out that video right there and that one there, and hit the subscribe button over here for me. And remember, it's free. We'll catch you later. Get out and do some roadside attractions.